Mastering compact, boost your IELTS score. Imagine squeezing an entire library into a single book. That's the essence of our word for today, compact. This powerful adjective is a favorite among IELTS examiners, and mastering its usage can significantly boost your language proficiency. Let's unpack the word compact and see how it can elevate your English to Band 9 level. Word type. Compact functions as both an adjective and a verb, though we'll focus primarily on its adjectival form in this lesson. Meaning, as an adjective, compact describes something that is closely and neatly packed together, or something that is dense, efficient, and occupying little space. It implies a sense of organization and effective use of available area. Word history. The term compact comes from the Latin word compactus, meaning closely put together or joined. It entered the English language in the 15th century, retaining its core meaning of density and efficiency. Antonyms. To better understand compact, let's look at its opposites. Antonyms include spacious, expansive, spread out, and diffuse. These words convey a sense of taking up more space or being less densely arranged. Synonyms. Synonyms that can help you diversify your vocabulary include condensed, concentrated, compressed, concise, and succinct. Each of these words carries a slightly different connotation, but all relate to the idea of efficiency and density. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use compact in various contexts. The architect designed a compact apartment that maximized every square meter of living space. Despite its compact size, the new laptop boasts impressive processing power. The presenter delivered a compact summary of the complex research findings, highlighting only the key points. Urban planners are developing more compact cities to reduce environmental impact and improve efficiency. Her writing style is remarkably compact, conveying complex ideas in few words. Common errors in use. While compact is a versatile word, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One frequent error is confusing compact with concise. While both relate to efficiency, concise specifically refers to language or expression, whereas compact can describe physical objects or abstract concepts. Another mistake is using compact when small would suffice. Remember, compact implies not just small size but also efficiency or density. A tiny, inefficient object wouldn't be described as compact. Lastly, be cautious about using compact as a verb in formal writing. While it's correct to say you can compact something in many formal contexts, compress or condense might be more appropriate. To truly demonstrate Band 9 proficiency, incorporate compact into your speaking and writing tasks naturally. Use it to describe efficient designs, summarize information, or discuss urban planning. By mastering nuanced vocabulary like compact, you'll showcase the precise and sophisticated language use that IELTS examiners are looking for at the highest levels.